this is me Shubhi. This is my first video that I am uploading on YouTube. So I hope you will all like my video and will support me. So without wasting any further time, let's get started to the video. Amway company is one of the best network marketing companies in the world. There are top 2 leaders in Amway who are actually 2 couples who earns about $20 to $30 million a year. Amway includes many products such as products related to nutrition, beauty, personal care, home living and stuff like that. So guys, if you join Amway, it will teach you to speak to all your friends and family. Try to get them into business. It's that how network marketing works. It's about building your different downlines, your distributors, teaching them how to build more people and inviting more and more people, and that's how it replicates and people earns more and more passive income. Some people say that Amway is not a good company. People who work in Amway makes your life hectic, but this point of view is totally a wrong aspect. To become a good Amway distributor, one has to take out some time, extra efforts and teamwork. So, this is all about Amway. Now, I'm going to begin with my first product. So, my first product is Nutrilite Protein Powder. Today's world is full of youth. In today's world, more than 65% of people are less than 35 years of age. Because of this, more and more people go out to work for their living. Every day, people have to work because of which they are not able to handle their proper diet routine. Some of them have to travel outside to earn for their living, because of which they have to eat bad food outside in any of the shops which are not rich in minerals, vitamins and proteins needed by our body. Because of which people become lousy and lethargic. Some people don't even complete their working hours and feel that they are becoming more and more lazy just because they are not taking proper essential nutrients needed by their body. To fulfill the lack of nutritional elements needed by our body, we are providing you the world's best Nutrilite Protein Powder, which is also popularly known as Nutrilite All Plant Protein Powder. Now I am going to proceed with its benefits. Protein is the basic building block of our body. We may compare this protein powder as we need bricks to construct houses. Protein makes cells in our body and fastens up the process of making cells. It helps to provide food to the cells in our body because if cells will not get food, they'll become weak and thereby makes our body weak and fragile. It also helps to provide energy to our muscles. The best part in this product is that it contains active ingredients in it. It contains total of 22 amino acids, among which 9 of the essential amino acids can be formed in our body, which we get from our all plant protein powder. If you will not get all the essential amino acids, then the production in cells will become less. It's neutral in taste. We can mix this powder with any of the food items except with tea and coffee, as it contains caffeine. All plants protein powder. In 1 kg weight, we need 1 gram of protein. The cost of 1 gram protein is 4 rupees. Its 10 grams gives us 8 grams of proteins, in comparison to which other market proteins out of 10 grams gives us 2 grams only. Its PDCAAS score, that is Protein Digestivity Created Amino Acid score, is number 1 in the whole world. It is the rating given to the protein powder. The rating shows that how much of it gets absorbed in our body. The highest score rate of our protein is 1. This product should not be given to the people who are suffering from thyroid, PCOD, liver problem, kidney problem, and problem in uric acid. Protein powder doesn't get stored in our body. Every day, our body needs new protein. Every day, a man needs 60 grams of protein and a female needs 55 grams of protein. Above 5 years of age, a person can be given 1 spoon of protein powder, and above 12 years of age, 3 spoons of protein powder. Protein helps us in our hair as well as in our skin. It helps in shining even. Recommended users. The USP, that is unique selling point of this product, is like it is the only product which provides 9 amino acids to us. It is the only protein powder whose PD-CAS score is 1. It is an all-plant protein powder. Rest all market-based ones are synthetic. This protein powder comes in 3 different sorts of packings: 200 grams, 500 grams and 1 kg one. I use 1 kg protein powder and its cost is 4019 rupees. Its basic benefits are: it provides energy, it makes our bones stronger and helps in bone density, it burns fat because it increases the rate of metabolism, it reduces BP and cholesterol, it helps nutrition to pass out from our veins, it helps the stored vitamins and minerals to flow inside our body. Protein is helpful for our growth and maintenance in our body. Nutrilite all plant protein powder provides protein from all plant sources. The tri blend of soy plus wheat plus pea provides combinations of all 9 essential amino acids. In this, no sugar is added and it is lactose free, means no milk is added to it. I am showing you the comparison between Nutrilite protein powder and market protein powder. But I am not taking the name of any of the market protein powder because I am representing Nutrilite protein powder. In Nutrilite protein powder, 200 gram cost rupees 1139 and market protein powder 200 gram cost rupees mainly 300 rupees. In 10 grams equals to 800 grams, Nutrilite protein powder almost gives 80% and market protein powder almost 15 to 30% of protein we get from market protein powder. PD-CAS score equals to 1. In Nutrilite protein powder, we almost 100% of the protein gets digested in our body, and in market protein powder, almost 20 to 30% of protein gets digested. In Nutrilite protein powder, we get 22 amino acids, out of which 9 are essential and 13 are non-essential. And in market protein powder, we get only 3 to 4 amino acids. In Nutrilite protein powder, no flavors or preservatives are added. No color is added. In market protein powder, lot many flavors are added. In Nutrilite protein powder is sugar-free and lactose-free, while market protein powder includes sugar and lactose, which is harmful for the patient suffering from sugar. Nutrilite protein powder constitutes soya equals to 82.26%, wheat 10%, pea protein 7.5%, which is totally organic, while market protein powder is synthetic in nature, which causes lot many side effects. Uses: it's present either in mother's milk or in Nutrilite protein. It balances sugar, helps in making hormones, makes antibodies, removes weakness, irritation, recovers anemia, stops hair fall, takes out poisonous elements from liver, improves digestive system, reduces depression, improves thinking quality, makes collagen, helps in recovering the problem of migraine, helps in arthritis and burns fat. But you should make sure that this product should not be given to the person whose liver and kidney is weak. So thank you guys for watching my video.